Hello guys, it's me, Sir Yabs TV. So this time, let's solve quadratic equations by factoring. Okay? So first in the list, example number 1, x squared equals 4x minus 3. So lahat ng nasa right, set lang natin ito ng standard form. So lahat ng nasa right, i-transpose natin to the left. Okay? Every time mag-transpose, mag-change yung sign. Pag hindi i-transpose, pag i-bring down, walang mag-change na sign. Okay? So x squared minus 4x plus 3 equals 0. So this time, ito yung technique ng maghanap ng factors ng quadratic equation. Okay? So, yung last term, yung 3, kunin lang natin or hanapin natin yung factors niya. Okay? Pag i-multiply, positive 3. Pag i-add, negative 4. Okay? So, that means our factor or our factor is negative 1 and negative 3 for the positive 3. So, factor ng x squared is x times x. Dugtong lang natin yung ating factors ng 3. Okay, that's the process Okay, by zero product property, every factor will be equate to 0. So x minus 1 equals 0, then x minus 3 equals 0, then negative 1 transpose to the right. That's why x sub 1 equals 1, positive 1. Then x sub 2, so negative 3 transpose to the right. So the result is positive 3. So ito yung factors or ito yung result ng example number 1. So example number 2, so x squared plus 20 equals negative 9x. Transpose natin siya to the left to set into standard form. Okay, so take note effective lang itong mga process na ito or mga technique na ito pag the value of a is equal to 1. Okay, so this time we have set into standard form. So yung 20, hanapan natin ng factors. Pag i-multiply 20, pag i-add, positive 9. Okay, so ang mga factors ng 20, 1 times 20, 2 times 10, and 4 times 5. Okay, so yung gagamitin natin dito, yung i-times 4 times 5, okay, then 20, then pag i-add is 9. Sila lang yung mga factors na ganoon. Okay, so we have factors of x squared again. So x times x, then dugtong lang natin yung positive 4 at saka positive 5. Okay, so then by zero product property, x plus 4, equate natin siya ng 0, and x plus 5, equate natin siya ng 0. Then solve for the value of x. So basically, x sub 1 equals negative 4. Because of we transpose positive 4 to the right. So that's why negative 4. X sub 2, okay, positive 5 transpose to the right. So the result is x sub 2 is negative 5. So ito yung result natin for example number 2. Okay, let's take example number 3. So x squared minus 14 equals 5x. So 5x transpose to the left. So x squared bring down, then negative or minus 5x. Okay, kasi gitranspose na siya. Then bring down negative 14 equals 0. Yung hanapan natin ng factors dito is negative 14. Okay, so pag i-add, negative 5. So obviously, yung factor na gagamitin natin dito, lagyan natin ng isang negative. Okay? So 2 and 7. So pag si 7 yung in-negative natin, so siya yung mag-qualify because pag i-add negative 7 and 2 is negative 5. Okay? So our factor of x squared is x times x. Then dugtong lang natin yung plus 2 at saka minus 7. Okay, then according to zero product property, every factor can be equate to 0. So x plus 2 equals 0, then x minus 7 equals 0. Okay, then solve for x. Positive 2 transpose to the right, so x sub 1 will become negative 2. Then negative 7 transpose to the right, so x sub 2 will become positive 7. So, ito yung mga values or ito yung solution set ng ating example number 3. Okay, last example, number 4. X squared equals negative 6x plus 16. So, silang dalawa, transpose to the left. In order to this equation will be set into standard form. So, x squared, bring down. Then, negative 6x will become positive 6x. Positive 16 will become minus 16. Equals 0. So this time, si negative 16 yung hanapan natin ng factors. So mga factors ng 16, 1 times 16, 2 times 8, at saka 4 times 4. So since negative 16, dapat may isang negative sa ating mapili na factor. Si 2 and 8. So lagyan natin ng negative si 2. So that 8 plus negative 2 is positive 6 para siya yung mag-qualify ng ating middle term. Okay, so basically x squared is x times x. Sorry, x times x. Then we have, dugtong lang natin negative 2 at saka positive 8. Okay, then by zero product property, x minus 2 equals 0 and x plus 2 equals 0. Then solve for x sub 1 and x sub 2. X sub 1 equals positive 2. Negative 2 because transpose in negative 2. Then x plus 8. X sub 2 equals positive 8 transpose, magiging negative 8. So ito yung factors ng ating number or ating result na number 4. Okay? So I hope you have learned something from this video. So please subscribe and follow for more. Thank you.